welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw a dog balloon. First get your Sharpie.
Yes, Harper.
And then draw a circle like this.
The squeaky nose. It looks like a rat's nose.
And then draw these lines. From here, draw a line across like that and a curve here. And then another curve like this. Then draw the ear. And then draw the other ear. Draw the neck. And then draw the legs. And then draw the body. And then the other one below. And then from here, do the same thing. And then draw the tail. And then draw the light and 3 dots and 4. S and another one.
What are you doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11.
Okay. Now draw the light here with some dots again.
As much as I want. Maybe dots. Dots as much as I want.
I'm going to do some more here. Then draw the light on its tail and draw only a tiny amount of spots. And then draw as much dots. Same here. On the other leg. And the other leg. Right. Dog. Balloon. I'm going to write my name down here. Now we are going to colour in with one colour. If you want to do another colour, you can. And start colouring in the dog.
I knew how you make light pink. There's some light. And then if pink comes, then it's light pink.
No. You mix white with pink. And then that makes light pink.
No. It's with light and pink. Light pink.
That's what you think. Come on, do you want colouring in?
Well, I'm gonna do a different colour now. I'm gonna do your colour. Oh yes, they just colour in the back. What I'm supposed to do.
Now, my purple. I'm going to make some purple with my dots.
I'm gonna get another colour for my dots, because you're colouring in your dots. I got 1,000,000 or 1,000 dots to do. Well, I don't know, there's too much dots and I can't count them. And I have to highlight my name.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.